If you are coughing or having chest congestion issues, you can try to massage the back of your thumb for each of their hands, each at a 5-minute interval, so total of 10 minutes. When you're massaging it, you should feel a unique tenderness on your tendon on the back of your big thumb to know that you are massaging it hard enough for this to work. According to Chinese medicine, the thumb corresponds to your lung, so it is a reflection point for your lung. So massaging the thumb and making sure that the qi is open on your thumb will help alleviate symptoms that are related to the lungs, such as coughing and chest congestions.